Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Today's report about Elon Musk's covert strategy to reach $2 Shiba Inu data from the majority of SHIB investors made it known that, on average, 4 out of 5 investors are experiencing losses on their assets. According to the data, 80% of all Shiba Inu token address holders are currently insolvent. That amounts to 497 trillion tokens, or $4.4 billion, concentrated on 991,440 addresses. Aside from the burned volume of shit at that abandoned address, that is. We shall discuss Elon Musk's covert scheme to reach $2 Shiba Inu today in this video. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. SHIB is the 6th largest cryptocurrency in terms of the proportion of losing addresses to winning ones. To give you an accurate illustration, consider that just $668.4 million worth of SHIB, which has a market valuation of $5.19 billion, is lucrative to its owners. Notably, several of those unprofitable addresses bought Shiba Inu tokens between the price range of 009 and 0014. The block contains 348,170 of these addresses, and they collectively store a very substantial volume of 281.12 trillion SHIB. This is because the token was just recently quoted at these levels, which may imply that their owners can currently be regarded as long-term holders if quotes continue to fall, as they have been for the past 4 weeks. It's possible that the loser will be the last person with the token in hand. SHIB is undoubtedly under more strain as a result of this. As of right now, for many investors, the Shiba Inu price as of late is concerning. At the time that this line is being written, many investors have suffered a sizable loss as a result of the canine-themed token's earlier this month edition of Another Zero. Shiba Inu is being traded at $0.00887, an increase of 2.5% during the previous 24 hours. The coin is down 15% year-to-date and 9.6% over the past week. MTD, some Shiba Inu investors are accumulating the token to take advantage of the scenario, while others are dissatisfied with the asset's pricing. Shiba Inu token holders are accumulating them in the anticipation that one day the asset class would rise to 1 cent. A $900 investment in Shiba Inu will earn you 101,495,614 units of SHIB tokens at the current price of $0.887. In the forthcoming bull market, Shiba Inu's value could increase significantly. The 101.46 million SHIB tokens purchased today for $900 might be worth $1 million if the dog-themed cryptocurrency gains traction during the upcoming bull market or in the future. Notably, there is no assurance that the Shiba Inu token will ultimately reach its high point during the following bull run or decade. But the token's creators are making unrelenting efforts to put Shiba Inu on the road to pulling off this amazing achievement. The mainnet version of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution for the cryptocurrency, is about to be released by Shiba Inu. Shibarium will have a dedicated burn portal that will burn Shiba Inu tokens with each transaction, according to a report by Crypto Basic. As more SHIBs are burned on the official burn portal, the value of the token is anticipated to increase. Shiba Inu is named the coin of the day by Lunar Crush for its outstanding market performance and social engagement. Shiba Inu has received the prestigious Coin of the Day award from Lunar Crush, the renowned financial social media analytics website, in a significant development. This honor is accompanied by a bevy of stunning figures that demonstrate SHIB's great social participation and outstanding market performance. SHIB received an amazing Galaxy score of 45% in a recent evaluation by Lunar Crush. A number of variables were taken into account throughout the thorough analysis, including the token's price score, social effect score over the last 24 hours, average sentiment, and correlation rank. Shiba Inu also managed to gain a position of 434 on Lunar Crush's alt rank out of 4,389 mainstream assets assessed in the last 24 hours. The SHIB has demonstrated its overall power and impact throughout the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem with this significant accomplishment. The social participation of Shiba Inus, however, is what has most impressed people about their recent success. Within 24 hours, SHIB has seen an astonishing 146.8 million social engagements. During this time, the token has also received an astounding 11.6k social media mentions. The hype that the token burns in PuppyNet, the Shibarium beta network, produced as well as their outstanding accomplishments are credited for this astounding amount of social engagement. Satoshi Kozama. Salutations for the advancement. He posted the news on Twitter with a brief but powerful caption. With the Shiba Inu community is ecstatic about the cold wallet disclosure. The much-anticipated Shiba Inu cold wallet's technical specifications have been shared on Twitter by Lucy, an authority in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and a content marketing specialist. Shiba Inu and Tangem, a blockchain startup based in Switzerland, will work together to introduce a novel cold wallet solution. It indicates that the wallet will soon be available in a limited edition. Users will be able to store and manage their digital assets, including SHIB, from any location, in accordance with the information provided by Lucy Yu. Since the new wallet will support more than 6,000 different currencies, users will also have access to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, DEX, and decentralized financing, often known as DeFi. Users don't need a PC or laptop because the cold wallet is the same size as a credit card. A card and their smartphone are all that are required. The Tangem wallet does not require charging in order to operate, which is another obvious benefit. Since the Shiba Inu team promised to offer an update on the Shiba Inu cold wallet before the end of the week, the announcement appears to be opportune. Furthermore, an AMA was held in association with leading cryptocurrency exchange Huobi, during which well-known Shiba Inu community members elaborated on the Shiba Inu ecosystem's development. It is currently anticipated that the official SHIB Twitter account will provide further information on the wallet order and timing. The US-based cryptocurrency trading platform Tarmax has teased the Bone Shiba swap, or Bone listing, after winning the exchange's survey. This is good news for those interested in listings. CoinMina, a Bahraini cryptocurrency exchange, also seems to be hinting at a Shiba Inu listing. Recent cryptic tweets might support this. Shiba Inu closed in on a 5-month low on Friday as the markets responded to Elon Musk's resignation as CEO. Since taking over last year, Musk, who bought the social network company, has been in charge, but has now selected a long-term successor. Following the news that Shiba Inu is the sole Twitter account that new Twitter CEO Linda Yaccarino follows, the value of Shiba Inu may rise as the latest memecoin to do so. Shiba Inu may benefit from the current memecoin mania to surge, and the Shiba Inu price may be set for a rise amid rumors that the current Twitter CEO is a SHIB enthusiast. However, it is yet uncertain how much interest she has in the digital asset. The information was released shortly after sitting Twitter CEO Elon Musk disclosed his intentions to move into other positions within the organization once the new CEO assumes office in 6 weeks. The new executive's identity was made public by the tech billionaire. I'm pleased to officially welcome Linda Yaccarino as Twitter's new CEO today. Yak will be primarily responsible for commercial operations at Linda, while I will be responsible for product design and emerging technologies. Working with Linda to make this platform into X, the Everything app, is something I'm looking forward to. Since Shiba Inu is the sole cryptocurrency account Yaccarino follows, it has become clear that she is more of a Shiba Inu enthusiast than a supporter of cryptocurrencies. Accordingly, the rumor that the newest Twitter boss is aware of the memecoin ecosystem has thrilled the SHIB army. Memecons might benefit from Yaccarino's expertise in Twitter's business operations and Musk's expertise in new technology and product design, with SHIB and Doge having the advantage for obvious reasons. SHIB Inu's price, on the other hand, may decline much further and break through the immediate support level at $0.000807 if the current Meme-Coin frenzy fails to resonate with SHIB holders. The meme coin might extend south in this catastrophic situation, enabling traders to gather sell-side liquidity below this level. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.